हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मेरा विदित लिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी एज वेल एज योर इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी. So let's start with the first word. The first word is attack. It means आक्रमण करना. The second word is bear. It means सहन करना. The third word is complain. It means शिकायत करना. The fourth word is contribute. It means योगदान देना. The fifth word is discover. It means खोज करना. The sixth word is extraordinary. It means असाधारण. The seventh word is gather. It means इकट्ठा करना. The eighth word is inspire. It means प्रेरित करना. The ninth word is justice. It means न्याय. The 10th word is library. It means पुस्तकालय. The 11th word is occasion. It means अवसर. The 12th word is passenger. It means यात्री. The 13th word is success. It means सफलता. The 14th word is worry. It means चिंता करना. The 15th word is touch. It means छूना. The 16th word is result. It means परिणाम. The 17th word is arrest. It means गिरफ्तार करना. The 18th word is advisor. It means सलाहकार. The 19th word is delay. It means विलंब. The 20th word is innocent. It means मासूम. The 21st word is ornaments. It means गहने. The 22nd word is heritage. It means विरासत. The 23rd word is postpone. It means स्थगित करना. The 25th and last word is condition. It means स्थिति. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.